Click New Project. Select Customer Category. Select R feature. Create project. Click pencil icon. Click Update. This is editor page. Click Virtual Staging. Click Library. Add image. You can edit your media by adjust position, rotation, and scale. Add 3D model this time. Follow the same procedures as before. Some 3D models can do more of the animation settings. Click Save. Can modify the 3D model if unsatisfied those effects. Click Save one more time. Click Library again to upload video. Repeat the previous procedures. You can go to base light setting to adjust the light intensity. Click Update. Click to preview the video. Click Share. Let's go. Virtual Tour is now with image, 3D model, and video.